What's going on, guys? It's me again. Just wanted to give you guys an update on that storm we had that was coming towards Texas. It didn't form into anything. It was just a tropical depression. Yesterday we had a lot of rain throughout the morning, and some parts the whole day. It cleared up after all that. Don't you hate these lights? They don't even change when you want them to change. I'm in the box. Anyways, it cleared up. Yesterday it was raining a lot. There was a lot of flooding throughout the city. Dickinson, Texas. There was a lot of rain throughout the Gulf Coast though. This is the weather we got today, and I'm getting to ride a little bit finally. It kind of broke down. It didn't do much. Just wanted to give you guys an update and let you guys know everything is okay. I'm going to be working on some more videos. If you haven't seen the prior videos, please check them out. It's gonna correspond to that one. That way you'll know what I'm talking about when I talk about this next video that's gonna come out, that I'm going to edit. Stay on the lookout for that video. Please hit the bell button. That way you'll know when I come out with a new video. We'll see you on the next one.